Tom's here with Bryn. If you don't know this guy, he's Pirate Bros. And
Bws TT, aka Mr. TT.
Yeah. So we're here today.
That's the giant Badger. We're a Badger 5.
That's it. We're here today with the Mk1 TT Forum Community Dyno Day. It's going to be like 15, 16 cars.
Yeah, 17 I think.
Yeah, so it's going to be cool. We're going to see what blows up.
Yeah, we're going to do a couple of different videos. I'm going to be doing sort of the after stuff. Bryn's going to try and get from them what they think they might get. We'll see. Yeah, we'll see. So yeah, click up here for his video or for my video, whichever way you send it working. We don't know what's going to happen. But yeah, so enjoy guys.
Yeah, see you later.
See you later.
What is it at now?
267?
272.
Oh, 272.
272.
That's all right.
Go on average of 272.
Trick cams, air filter, and a map, and that's it.
Happy with that?
Yeah, yeah, pleased with that.
Brilliant. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
What do you think of that, Johnny?
Yeah, not bad.
Yeah?
That's not like one's in the car.
You're 272 point something.
Well done. You pleased with that?
Yeah, happy.
Yeah? So what's next then?
Go home and go to work and pay for it.
What you expected?
Between 260 and 270, so it's about there.
Happy days. Good talk. What was the result? 260.
Hi guys, I'm Tom.
And I'm Matt.
And Simon's not here, but we are the Moto Monkeys. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, like our videos, follow us on our journey with our project car. We've come here today to Badger 5, haven't we, Matt?
We have, yeah, Badger 5, renowned performance specialist for all things German, really.
We've come for a rolling road. And I'll tell you what, it's the best 45 quid we spent.
Yeah.
We've learned a lot about this car in one rolling road.
Yeah.
But it doesn't like coolant, this car. And he'd like to dump it all over poor Bill's dyno. So we are sorry, Bill. But luckily the guys have fixed it for us. We're good enough to go home, aren't we, Matt?
Yeah.
Well, bro, what horsepower have we made today, Matt?
We have made absolutely none. But
no,
what's important is that we haven't lost any.
We're 7 horsepower up.
7 horsepower up.
225, we made 231.
232.
232.
232.
Thanks,
we stand
Welly.
corrected.
My mate Welly's here, aka Welly Cooler Man.
Given that the car is 20 years old, we're expecting a lot worse. So yeah, we're happy, aren't we?
7 horsepower for that program. I'm happy with that. So big shout out to Dom at Pirate Bros for chilling out with us here today and include us in your channel. And thank you very much, mate. And don't forget, subscribe to our channel, guys.
you, Neil. You should get his name.
Really?
Yeah. It's too bad his name.
Nah,
No?
nah, stop.
It's amazing what all that
240.
wax can do, isn't it?
Are you a happy man now?
I am a happy man. Happy that they found it.
Got
Fixed
boost,
it.
found the boost.
Found the boost.
What was the official verdict there? Knocking its tits off. Okay. Sorry, don't need to laugh about that. It's just the way Bill said it.
Oh God.
Didn't say anything negative at all.
At least you said it was smile.
Knocking its tits off.
You're knocking Bill's tits off.
No, Bill, come in, Bill. Come on.
Come on, give us the technical
Please, the way he delivered that line was brilliant.
Yeah. Right, so we've got, what have we got? 251. How you feel about that? You alright?
I'm happy with that.
Did you expect it? Is it mapped or?
I was told it was mapped when I brought it.
Oh, so you've not had it mapped? You've
So
not...
I've never had it mapped, but I was told that it had a stage 1.
Oh, so
So
you've got to be pretty happy with that.
250, yeah. Can't grumble.
Smooth man.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, I can live with that.
I didn't have oil concentrator last year.
Hasn't lost any.
227.
That's superb, Jack.
I need to go outside.
Sigh of relief.
Fucking melted.
Somebody's happy now.
Yeah. That's not bad figures for stock. 215 horsepower, 237 foot-pound. Which for a stock car is decent.
Steady.
Yeah, I'm so glad it wasn't like
What is it, 51? So for a 19-year-old car, it's lost 10 horsepower.
Yeah.
Mine ain't lost nothing, it's gained some.
Win.
Yours is on acid, that's
You put expensive petrol in a bit octane booster.
Yeah.
It only has V-power in it actually, so that might be
Cowboy
right.
tip tops.
Yeah.
That's why you couldn't have them. She put them in the tank.
Got these apart on the dyno.
See today.
286 foot-pound. You happy with that?
Yes.
Oh, good.
Yeah,
What
very
mods
happy.
are on that?
Intercooler 550 injectors, program, 3-inch all the way. We've still got a cat on it.
Yeah.
And it's still got the original turbo, so that's good.
Original turbo and a Badger tip.
Steady. It's best of the day so far.
Yeah.
I think it's just healthy, that's all.
Yeah, so it's a good, just a good strong.
How many miles have you done?
103,000.
Not too
Good.
bad. Not too bad.
Happy with 272?
That's what I said, 270.
Yeah, you're not wrong. That's good. Right, so all told, 510 horsepower, 511 horsepower, 415 foot-pound of torque. You happy with that then, dude?
Yeah, ecstatic,
Biggest
mate.
figures of the day?
Yeah, very happy with that.
Good.
For everyone else who has attended, whether your car has gone on the dyno or not. I can honestly say I've had a mint day. It's brilliant to catch up with old friends and meet new members. Bill, you've been a diamond. Thank you for letting us have our day here. The first award is dyno winner, which we've left this down to Bill and Alex to decide who wins. So it's their choice, so you can't blame them. Our lovely spoke trophies. And this is going to Richard Lewis. Don't stay silent. You chose by John Hamilton, by don't give out many of them, one or two a year. So we're going to come back to badge final for our Havas, and we're going to do 2 trophies each time that we do. This one is admin choice, and it's basically our favourite car, but this one is one that we've seen the journey from a right old shit bucket to something that not only looks alright, it sounds kind of good too. So I think the surprise of the day, admin choice, is going to Johnny. Thank you everyone.